this is definitely a necessity. If you want to get the same results I got on this unit, then you definitely need all these styles. This is actually so good for your wigs as well. What's good, y'all? If you're new here, hello, and if you ain't, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all the products you need as a beginner to slay, fry, dye, and lay to the side your wig. Okay, all these products will be on my Amazon storefront, which is linked down below. So if you want to go ahead and purchase any of these items, go ahead and head down to my description and click that link. So first things first, let's start off with the stuff that you already have probably laying around your house. You will definitely need a brush, a detangling brush. I think they call them denim brushes or something like that. I'll link a good one on Amazon that I really want to buy. I heard good reviews about it, but this is the brush that I have right now. This is a Revlon detangling brush, and this one works really good on curly hair. So if you get you a curly unit, you definitely need this brush. Real sturdy, real nice. Get them BDBs at the back of your wig. Next, what you'll need is some rat tail combs, and if you don't know what rat tail combs are, it is the combs with the silver ends like so. Ooh, that one's dirty. Why did I show that one? These combs are at your local beauty supply store. I bought a couple of rat tail combs. I would have bought them in different colors. I use these combs for different purposes. Sometimes I use them to actually part. Sometimes I use them to apply glue. Sometimes I use them to do my edges. They're just good for everything as far as doing little tedious things on your lace front. Sometimes hair gets stuck to your lace and you can use the rat tail comb to get the hair out the way. It just really helps with little tedious things like that, like I said. Next, I have an edge brush or some edge brushes. It don't matter. You should have this laying around your house if you're a black girl. So edge brushes, of course, are used for your edges. Sometimes I use these to press down the lace and the glue, so this is a necessity as well. Next, what you'll need to get is clips. I've just been stealing my mama clips, honestly. But you would definitely need some clips when it comes to parting your hair off in sections. Maybe you need to flat iron your hair in sections. Clips are a necessity. Don't think that you could just, oh, I'll just tie this side up and then it's going to be messy and it's going to make you frustrated if you do not have everything organized and put out the way. Just to make sure that you have a stress-free install, especially if you're a beginner. One, try to get you a good quality wig. The easier the lace blends, the easier the install, the better the install. And also make sure that you have a clean install. So next you will need some hair scissors. Yes, hair scissors. Don't try to use your little kitchen scissors or any scissors you got laying around. I was doing that, okay? Flashback.
Here go a clown outfit for you.
Embarrassing. Definitely get you some hair scissors and make sure they're sharp and not dull, because when it comes to cutting layers or cutting blunt ends, you don't want your scissors to be dull, because then it's going to make it harder than it needs to be. If you're not good at cutting layers with scissors, then you can also get some hair layers. I really don't know what this is called.
You absolute buffoon.
I just grabbed it from the beauty supply store because when I first started doing wigs, I was like, ooh, I'll be seeing this in the videos. But honestly, you can cut layers with both of these, scissors or hair. What are these called? We don't know, bitch. These are both for the same thing. But no, you cannot cut blunt ends with this. And last but not least, you would need popsicle stick. I know I said I apply my wig glue sometimes with a rat tail comb, but sometimes I don't like pulling the glue off my combs. I use popsicle sticks to spread the glue evenly across my forehead. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and move on to products. First product, you already know what you need, is some wig glue. I still use Ghost Bond Classic. People say this is bad for you. It probably most likely is, but I haven't had this for so long. Not that I'm sticking to it, but I just had this for so long and I ain't got no more wig glue. This wig glue holds on pretty good. I just stick to the classics, literally Ghost Bond Classic. I stick to what I've been using when I first started doing wigs. No, it's not waterproof glue. I don't be getting in the water with my wigs, baby. I put some box braids or wear my natural hair in the pool. I'm not even finna do that.
Oh, hell no.
Yes, you would definitely need some wig glue, of course, so you can lay your wig. Next, I have some Got To Be Ultra Glued. I use this for my edges sometimes, and I used to use it in high school for gluing my wigs down, like a little quick glue down or whatever. I have to try that method again sometime, but I don't really use it now. But mostly I use this for my edges if I want an extra hold. Then next, everybody knows you need the Got To Be Glued spray, okay? This is to make everything blend. Not only is this to make your lace blend, I also use it to hold my curls. So like today's style, I definitely sprayed this all over my head. Next, I have oil sheen. This is just to add some gloss to your hair whenever you do curls or whenever you want a little shine. You can use any type of hairspray that adds shine, but this is just the one that I use, and I love this product. I love the way it smells. Next, I have some hair serum. I use this for my hair when I flat iron it or when I curl it, just to add some shine and for my hair to be bone straight, okay? When I'm doing a straight look, middle part bust down. I'm not playing with y'all. But I also use the Bio Silk, and I will link that down below as well. It looks like this if you want to go buy it in the store. This is actually so good for your wigs as well. I was using that at first, and then I moved on to this. Neither one is better than the other, but I just switched to it because the other one's in the bathroom and I'm lazy. So I just grab whatever's near me. Next, I have a wax stick. This is definitely a must to get your wigs as flat as possible. We do not need stunner in 2014 wigs.
I'm from Sacramento.
I'm sorry, I love stunner. You know better, so you did better. She knew better, so she did better. She got that wax stick and that hot comb. And that hot comb. A flat install is a necessity for if you want your wig to look natural. If you don't want it to look natural, then don't get the wax stick. But I don't know, natural wigs is the trend. I don't know what you getting on. So next I have edge control. I use edge fixer edge control. You can use any type of edge control you want. I usually use all 3 of these for my edges on my wig. I really just go back and forth between those products, but it is definitely a necessity that you get some edge control. You never know. I feel like all these products just complement each other and they all work good together. And last but not least, I have this fan. I lost the charger to this fan, but man, oh man, when I tell you I miss this fan. Remember when I said you can use this to blend your lace? So you spray this on your lace. You can either use a blow dryer or you can use this mini fan. And I would rather use this because you don't got to go get the blow dryer and plug it in and loud noise and you don't have to keep doing that and holding it. I like using this because it's cordless after you charge it. You press this, automatic cool air, okay? You don't have to worry about heat blasting your forehead. So now we're gonna go ahead and move on to hot tools. So first things first, I have a flat iron. This is a red flat iron though. I got this from the beauty supply store. I'm gonna upgrade soon, but this flat iron is good. It definitely gets my wigs bone straight, definitely gets my real hair bone straight. Next, you would need a hot comb. I actually got this one from Amazon. People say black hot combs are not good and da, but let me tell you, they lying. They lied. These hot combs is good. Don't listen to what nobody else saying. It's a hot comb. But you want to get the one where you got to sit it on the stove and put it on your head, that's cool too. A hot comb is a hot comb, and I personally love this hot comb. I've had this hot comb for about 4 years now, probably counting this year. Yeah, the heat goes all the way up to 20, and I know you like 20. Yes, you only need 20 heat. I'm telling you, if you buy this and you turn it up all the way down 20 thinking you need more heat, it's literally gonna start steaming. That's how you know it's gonna get your wig flat. This is definitely a necessity. This and this, you know better, so you did better. Get them wigs flat, okay? I'm telling you. Next up, I have a barrel curler. I actually got this from Marshall's, but I'm gonna try to find it on Amazon. And this is a Hot Tools professional curling iron. I absolutely love this. The color is so cute. The curls is This is not a necessity for a beginner, but this is just in case you want to go ahead and get all your Hot Tools out the way and buy them. I do recommend this. It is a good affordable curling iron. And last but not least, I have a mini flat iron. This is definitely a necessity. Okay, when I first was doing wigs, this didn't exist. Okay, it didn't exist. But when I first saw this trend coming out, I definitely had to get one, and I will never stop using it until another trend comes by. This makes doing your edges so easy. Back in the days when you didn't have these, you just had to keep fighting with them. But now once you get this, it just gives your edges a natural curl. I don't think they have this exact one on Amazon anymore because I tried to look for it and it's like a whole different product. But I will link a similar one on my Amazon storefront. And I also forgot to mention this, but you would definitely need ball caps. Duh, why didn't I say this? There's these new type of ball caps that are actually HD. So once you go ahead and put those on, it'll make your install definitely better. I don't use wig caps because I haven't got those kind yet, the HD ones. But definitely once I get my hands on those, I would definitely be doing the wig cap method with those because I see that it's such an easier process than regular wig caps. I seen Glamazon Tay use them and I was like, oh dang, she really love balls. Next, you will need a elastic band. Definitely need to get you an elastic band. Not only will these melt your wig, but you definitely need to get you an elastic band that will definitely melt your wig. And I just found out literally today that you're not supposed to wear your elastic band all day because it causes like your wig to slide back and it kind of turns it gray, like your lace. It turns your lace gray. So I was like, yeah, get you elastic band, but wear it to sleep and that's it. You will also need some hair bleach. This is definitely a necessity. You do not want your knots to look like a jersey. Polka dot, yeah, that's you. And if you don't know what knots are literally just the hair tied to the lace in a knot so that the hair can stay on the lace. So basically what you want to do is bleach those so that they're brown and not black. Common sense, right? No! I do have a how I bleach my knots video, so if you want to go ahead and watch that, click that eye up here or over here. I don't know, it's up there somewhere. Or you can go ahead and wait to the end of this video and it will be in the end clips. But yeah, you would definitely need you some bleach, and as well as the bleach bowl and the bleach brush. I actually lost my bleach brush, so in the video you're gonna see me use a spoon. Don't be like me. I went ahead and linked a bleach bowl and the bleach brush down below in the description. Yeah, y'all, I think that's all the products that I have for you today. I hope this was helpful. If it was, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. All these products once again will be linked down in my Amazon storefront. If you have any questions, comment them down below and I will try to answer them as quick as possible. And yeah, check out some of my other videos. We'll be cutting up over there, specifically in the vlogs. Yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.
Something magical happens when you do what you love. And whether it's loved by the masses or